everybody, I'm Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures.
And I'm Easton from Easton's Edge.
And he is here to help me with my first ever unboxing video. Who gets to do an unboxing video for a trip, for an adventure, for a vacation? I do. Adventures by Disney. They send all kinds of cool stuff and goodies, and I have an Adventures by Disney trip coming up. It's a Danube River cruise in a little over 2 months, about 10 weeks, and they sent this box, and I can't wait to dig into it and see what's in it. And I've never done unboxing before, so this guy, my camera guy, my video guy, my sound guy, my lighting guy, my editing guy is going to help me make this cool.
I don't get to go on this adventure, but I get to unbox this package.
Eventually, you're gonna come.
One day.
Yeah, to Europe with me on a river cruise. But okay, but you guys want to see this. This came to my door, Adventures by Disney box. This is what you would get if you booked an Adventures by Disney trip. Look at this box. What's in it?
This stuff is rattling around.
Okay, it's huge. This box is huge. And I'm so excited. I want to see what's in it. It's all pretty.
It is very, you can see it says Adventures, show them the front.
It does. It says Adventure, I lifted it up.
Oh, you did? Oh, yeah.
Adventures by Disney, I don't know.
It has like a little star on it.
Yeah, that's like their logo.
That's
okay,
cool.
How do we open this?
That's what fingernails come in handy for. I don't have fingernails to cut the tape.
Okay. Let's open this up.
Wait, show them first.
What? Well, okay,
I think
you gotta help.
I think they should get to see first.
Oh, well, like we got a camera right there, right?
All right, you peek around.
You get to see first. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
yay, look at all
wow.
this cool stuff.
These are high quality items, it looks like.
I know, and look, I like even the inside of the box. This is so fancy. It says make memories, experience, create, wonder, adventure, dance, all these things here. So you know what I'm gonna use this box for? I'm gonna use this box for a keepsake box from our trip to Europe, and all kinds of fun things that we collect and get. I mean, this box is really thick and has these cool compartments. I already see myself refilling this.
Yeah, I think we should go.
Okay, yeah,
and
sorry. He's gonna keep me on track.
I think we should go into this pup.
Okay. Okay, there's a letter here.
Should we read the letter?
From Adventures by Disney. Let's adventure together. Let's prepare together. And it tells you to check your email address, download the Adventure Handbook, which I'm also going to do a digital walkthrough. I did see the Adventure Handbook come through my email. I'll do a digital walkthrough. You'll be able to find that on my YouTube channel as well. And shop together. It says at Shop Disney, there's special Adventures by Disney collection that we can buy just for the people going on an Adventures by Disney trip. I'm going to have to make a video about that too, because I'm going to vlog this entire adventure. Okay, and then connect through our social media platforms. You gotta keep me moving. You're gonna be like, Mom, okay, you can help.
You're gonna love these. I already know this.
Oh my gosh. Oh, pins. Yes, yes. And I'm looking at them. I don't know here which camera I show them to here. That is so cool. These are Disney pins, and if you're into Disney, you know that the pin trading is real, and the pins are cool, and they're pins from adventures all over the world, all these different adventures. And yeah, Hungary, we're gonna be in Hungary. The Blue Danube, we are going to be sailing on the Danube. So Austria, Three River City.
Wow.
So yeah, these symphony sites, we are going to be seeing a symphony. Yeah, so
it looks like they're the same.
Yeah, there's two different cards here. They're both the same.
It's because two people are going, so each one gets one. So something I noticed is that there are other little holes on the card if you look really closely. And at first I was like, oh, one fell off, but now I realized, I bet you that you're not going there. They only give you a pin for each place you're going.
Well, yeah.
Which is really cool to collect them.
Because on this Danube River cruise, we're going to be visiting Germany.
I think there's a pin for each place.
Yeah, river cruise. And Austria. Yeah.
So that's really cool. These are really nice keepsakes, and you're a big fan of pins. So
we start out in Bischofszell, Germany, and we fly back from Budapest, Hungary.
There you go.
So we visit 4 different countries, and yeah, there are some extra holes. So these may vary depending on what adventure. If you've been on an Adventures by Disney trip, I want to hear about what your pins look like.
Yep, okay. We need to hear them.
Moving on. Name tags. So they did say in the online documents that I read, they want you to wear these. They want you to put your name on them, and they look like really cool cast member name tags. These are paper, but these lanyards are really neat. And they want you to put your name on them so that they can recognize everybody who's with your private tour group as part of Adventures by Disney.
That's pretty cool.
I know. I am just too type A to write on this, so I think I'm going to print a clear address label and stick it on there.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Moving on. What else? Luggage straps. So these straps here go around your luggage to mark your luggage as Adventures by Disney. Because if you're not familiar, if you didn't know, I mean, Adventures by Disney, it is a premium tour experience. They take care of everything. You get special tours and experiences that aren't offered anywhere else or to the public. And when you're on Adventures by Disney, they move your luggage for you. So if your bags need to be moved from place to place, city to city, as you go, they move your bags for you. You don't have to touch it and schlep it around. So,
and guys, schlep it.
Okay.
And these are really high quality as well. These aren't like
really
one-time use plastic little things just to get you by the trip. These are like, you could probably use this.
Oh yeah, to help recognize your luggage on the baggage carousel when you get home or anything.
Yeah.
But this, I think, is probably to help them identify your luggage as much as it is you, so they can move it around.
So there you go.
That's my speculation. We're gonna find out on the adventure. All right. Got a backpack.
Whoa.
Quality backpack.
That's a quality backpack.
Like I'm kind of need to get behind this, huh? Okay. I've been off to the side a little. Okay, they have these zippers.
Look at these zippers.
These zippers have the little Adventures by Disney logo or symbol, and so does the inside of the lid.
That is really
here.
cool.
All right, let's open this and see what we can see.
That's a high quality
water bottles. 2 of them.
Ooh.
Adventures by Disney water bottles.
These are nice.
I think I'm gonna have to get a carabiner.
Oh yes.
So I can attach. That's, I mean, if you've watched my "What Do I Pack on a Cruise" video, I bring carabiners, or on any vacation, because I like to use them to hang things. And yeah,
these are really high quality.
And these are all purposeful gifts. They want you to bring all of this with you on your adventure. They want you to have a water bottle, the name tags, the luggage straps, maybe not the pins, or maybe bring them if you want to. But anyway, yeah, water bottles.
These are really nice.
They want you to have water to drink.
They're metal. They have like a matte finish on them too. They're high quality.
And you know what? You might want to write your name on them with a silver Sharpie or a marker, because you'll probably be adventuring with other people. So that, just a thought, that might come in handy. But yeah, this bag is nice. It has a zipper pocket here on the inside. And this is like really stylish square bag. And wait.
Very modern style.
What I bet these fit, and there's only one bag. 2 people going, but one bag. But I bet you these fit.
Oh, they do.
These water bottles.
So guys, look how sleek. Look how sleek this thing looks with the bottle. Like, that's just.
You're perfect at presenting that. I'm glad you're helping me.
That's crazy.
Oh, so you can put one bottle on each side.
They're very tight fit. They fit perfectly in there.
I just noticed putting this bottle in here. It says made from recycled plastic bottles.
Oh.
So this bag is, you can't even tell.
No.
But you know what else? I bet this is waterproof. Or
it does.
water resistant. So if it gets rained on, whatever's inside drops.
Because once again, you're going to be adventuring in this schlepping through the rain.
And it says Adventures by Disney here. Here, wait, let's see the back of it. And they've got all these, like that fancy strap.
Big deal right there.
Can you model that?
Can you imagine?
Can you model that for us? How does that go on? Oh yeah, it goes, oh, I was gonna pull it on over my head. There's a clip in the front, so.
That way.
So this is for like the serious hikers.
Yeah, you
or
can
bikers.
Lock in. I think the straps need tightened.
Yeah, I think like here, there.
Now
so you gotta adjust it to fit.
It's not gonna come off. Okay.
And look, they have all kinds of hooks. Like right here's the hook, so like you could hook things or carabiner, snacks, whatever. Yeah, I like that. That's an awesome backpack.
Then it's like you need water. Ka-chow.
I will be bringing this on my adventure for sure, and I'm so excited about it. Thoughts? Any last thoughts?
I wish I was going.
Oh, I'm gonna take you one day.
One day.
This is my travel buddy, not just my video guy, lighting guy, editor guy, director guy, everything. But these are really cool, and I'm super stoked and excited for our Adventures by Disney trip. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do all kinds of videos about this. So I'm gonna do a video walkthrough of the Adventures by Disney merch that's for sale in Shop Disney that we can pick from. I'm also gonna do a video of our adventure guide. In the adventure guide, and if you've looked at the Adventures by Disney itineraries at all, you get to choose from several different adventures that fit and suit your style, and you have adventure guides that go with you throughout and take care of everything. So in the guide, the email, it has where you can mark the different things you think you might want to do, the experiences, the tours, the guides. So anyway, I'm going to walk you through all that online too. I'm going to do a screen recording of that as well as Shop Disney. So stay tuned because I can't wait to take you guys with me to Europe on my Danube cruise. Thanks for joining me on my first ever unboxing video.
Bye.
Bye.